If you're tired of feeling stuck but still crave success, then these books are your ticket out. First up, by Seneca. This gem dives into Stoic philosophy, teaching us to embrace virtue and accept what we can't change. Next, by Don Miguel Ruiz lays out a practical guide to personal freedom, rooted in ancient Toltec wisdom. Moving on to by Jordan Peterson, where you'll find principles for a meaningful and orderly existence. Don't miss by Carol Dweck. It's a game changer, showing how a growth mindset can skyrocket your success. For health, by Peter Attia offers strategies to boost your longevity and well-being. In the wealth department, Alex Hormozis is a masterclass in building profitable businesses. And by Eliyahu Goldratt? It's a fable that teaches business process optimization like no other. Need more skills? Hormozis back with for killer lead generation tips, and David Ogilvy's will make you an ad wizard. From personal growth to business mastery, these books cover it all. Ready to dive in? Hit that subscribe button for more life-changing tips.